Rock Bros bar mitts. I bought these almost a year ago, and I've been totally happy with them so far. So let's just talk about them a bit. So this is a little bit of riding from last winter. This was sometime in January, I believe. And if I remember right, it was about minus 20, 25 degrees Celsius. Hey folks, Joe here. Short little video today. It's the middle of November. Temperatures are starting to drop down below freezing. Getting a little bit of ice on the trails here and there. A bit of snow flurries, so winter is coming. So I thought I'd dig out these guys here, my Rock Bros bar mitts, and talk about these a little bit as I get ready for some winter riding to come. I bought these last year around the end of December, and what a game changer for winter riding. With my heaviest gloves, the hands would get cold within half hour or so, or minutes sometimes, depending on how cold. I routinely will ride in minus 30, minus 40 degrees Celsius. So it was pretty chilly. Where's my other gloves here? Here's my regular riding gloves. These are like spring and fall gloves, that sort of thing. Pearl Izumi, nice cycling glove. So after I got these last winter, I went from using my heaviest gloves on here, Marmot Gore-Tex insulated winter gloves, and I got these guys on, and minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 degrees, I'd be riding with these, inside of these, complete comfort. In fact, I did some rides around minus 10 degrees without any gloves at all, just reaching the hands inside. You can fully access the shift levers, the brakes, all this stuff. No problem at all. I'm going to get one of these on and we're going to talk about it, but first we're going to go over a couple details on it. Bring this a little closer. This end, which goes in up towards the stem, this has an adjustment on it. You pop this little guy up, and then you can, this strap, you can cinch this up, close that right down around your handlebars up here, so you're not getting a lot of heat loss. So that's a really nice feature. I'm going to open that up for putting it on though, just to make it a little bit easier. Another feature is the inside is fastened by Velcro. It's a nice insulated liner. You can take that right out to clean it if you want to. Got this nice thick collar right here where you slide your hands in. Let's say I'm out for a bike ride and I want to stop and go into a store or something. These are all warmed up nicely. You want to keep some heat in there. And you're going inside. You take these two little straps with a little clip on it here. You better look at that. And just cinch that up like that. That closes off the end. It should be out here. So you're going to keep some heat in there. One trick you can do sometimes if you really want to be warm in cold weather is bring those little hand warmers with you. Pop one of those bad boys inside your bar mitts. Then get your hands inside. Super warm. They're very comfortable. They're a bit of a pain in the butt to get on if you're using the bar ends like I have. But you can't get them on. You just got to play around with it to get them on. Without the bar ends, it's pretty straightforward. They slip right on. I love these things. My new bike behind me here, a Trek 520 Grandel touring bike. I'm going to be ordering up the road style version for road bikes and get a pair of those too, so I can keep riding that for a while. Once winter really sets in and things start getting messy, that bike's going to get parked for the winter. And this guy here, my old Jameis Hardtail, that'll be my winter bike. I don't mind getting that all rough and grimy. Don't really care. This bike owes me nothing. It's 18 years old. Still works awesome. So that's going to be the winter ride. And let's get one of these on. Hey folks, so we're back. This is our time travel part of the video. What you saw so far was from yesterday, and the riding clips, that was from last year. This is from tomorrow, or actually today. Putting together the video this morning, getting ready to post it, I realized I forgot to talk about one thing. So before I continue with the part that I was recording yesterday, I'm back out in the garage, and I'm going to go over one detail, put that in, and then we'll finish up the rest of the video. So one cool feature about these that I really like, let's get this oriented the right way. So on the bottom here, riding along, that's on the bar. Over here there's a zipper, and you got this nice big pocket. That's great if you want someplace when you're heading up for your ride, you need a place to put your keys, maybe your multi-tool in one of them. Grab the other one, you put in maybe your phone or your wallet, anything like that, a couple little things. I can probably fit a can or two of beer in here too if I want to pick up a beer on the way home from the ride. So nice big pocket, good strong zipper. It's got a zipper pull on it so it's easy to get even if you're wearing gloves. Nice and easy to work it. So I really like this feature. I used that a lot last year. And when I was putting together the video, I realized I forgot to talk about this part yesterday. And I really wanted to get that in, so we're back out here shooting another little bit of a clip. You may notice that the bike that I was using yesterday to put this on, the Jamis mountain bike, it is not here right now. That actually needed a new set of shifters, so that is down at my local bike shop right now. They're taking care of that for me. They'll give me a call when it's ready. I'll walk back down, ride back home. Anyways, just wanted to show you that little feature, and now I'm going to get back inside, put together the rest of this video, add in this clip, and then the rest from yesterday, put it all together, and get it posted for you. Okay, let's get this on. I actually took the bar ends off for a little while last winter just to see how much easier it is to get these on and off. And it makes quite a difference. And there we go. And there we go. So now from here I can just reach in, get my hand on the brake levers, shifters, all that. Piece of cake. Now this part here, loosen right off. I'm going to close that up. That'll close this off so you don't have warm air escaping from there. And pop a little latch on it. And there it is. Just reach in, get full control. These are super warm. I think the coldest I rode it with them last year was around minus 30 degrees with the wind chill. Forget now, but I think it was around minus 43 degrees. And my hands, light gloves on inside, minus 40 degrees, piece of cake. So I can't say enough good things about these. Rock Rose bar mitts. There will be a link down below in the description box. So yeah, Rock Rose bar mitts. Can't say enough good about them. They're awesome. Had them almost a year now, so this is basically the 1 year review as we're getting ready to head back into winter. It's not cold enough out yet to, well, it is cold enough to have them on. But probably wait another month or so till we get into a real cold snap before I start riding with them on a regular basis. I just want to get this video done up today. I'm going to pop this guy back off, and I'm actually going to take this out for a ride in a little while. See if anything needs tuning up before winter gets here, when this is going to become my main ride for the rest of the season. The season being winter. I'll be back to the Trek 520 in the spring, of course. Back into doing some more touring next year. I want to do some bigger tours this year. I just got that bike a little over 2 months ago. Got in a 4-day trip and a 3-day trip on it so far. Might get another overnighter in. We'll see how things go. Anyways, hit that like button. Do me a favor. Make sure you're subscribed. I appreciate that. Leave any good comments down below in the comment section. And in the description box down below, there will be a link to where you can get these. Take a better look at them, read up on them. They're awesome. Highly recommend them. Great for winter riding. Talk to you again soon.